welcome back to another video. Today we got 5 items you can get with the 25% off coupon. Coupon code 85888686. So what I did is I took a 20% coupon and pretty much enter it in at the website, and that's how I know that these items work with the coupon. So you can either use a 25% off coupon or a 20% regular 20% off coupon on these items. I did do it. I did not do it on with the 25% off because the 25% off is not valid until tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. I did save 5 items, but since we're already here, might as well stick another bonus item in. So I'll stick another bonus item, so it'll be a total of 6 items with the 25% off and 20% off coupon that you can get. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, the first item that we have is the 500-pound capacity hydraulic table cart. Pretty much it's $169.99. This item's real nice. You can pretty much use it to lift your appliances or your stuff that you're working on, so you're not bending over. As you can see, I put in a 20% off there. It says you saved $34, so a total of $135.99. So that is the discounted price. Next item we have is this 13,000-pound portable vehicle ramp set, $44.99. That is the current price. This is one of the items that I want to buy. Pretty much because my old ramps, they're getting old, and I need something lighter and more easier to use. As you can see, total price with the 20% off coupon is $35.99. You get $9 off discounted. Just remember, guys, you guys could use the 25% off on all these items too. So this is for 25% and 20%. So this is just the amount for the 20%. You got the 30-inch Pedestrian high velocity shop fan by Central Machinery. It's a big shop fan for the shop, and summer's here, so you know it's going to be a hot one. And why not buy something like this to help you out? $149.99 regular price, $119.99 with the discount 20% off, and that is with the $30 you're saving. Yeah, this is a heavy duty. It's pretty big actually, and you got the choice of getting the one on the ground one, as you see at the bottom of the picture, bottom left hand corner. So you get the choice of having the ground version or the pedestrian. Next item we got the folding clamp work light with movable pegs, US General. It's only $19.99. That's what it says right there. It doesn't have a lot of stars, I see that, but then again, this is just a table for $20. And as you can see there on the picture, you're getting $4 off. So you're only paying $15.99 for this folding clamp workbench. And I think that's a great deal. Even if it doesn't last as long as they say, you're only paying pretty much $15.99. Yeah. So, I mean, that's a great deal. You're saving $4 right there. Next item that we have, we got the good old famous Doyle. I gotta say, I've been using these pliers for almost the past. It's gonna be about a year now, and I gotta say I'm very impressed with these pliers. Or $10.39, and you get $2.60 off. So that is a great deal on this with this 20% off. But if you get the 25% off, you get more than that. Next item that we got the 4.5 professional air angle grinder by Chief. Yeah, this is a newer item. This is a pneumatic item. It's $119.99 for the cost, and yeah, this is pretty much a newer item, and you can use this coupon on any of the Chief's tools. So any of those tools, it will work. And as you can see, it's $95.99 with the discount, $119.99 regular price, and you get $24 off with the coupon. So that is a great deal there. You're saving $24. And like I said, it does work for other Chief products, not just this one. And yep, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next one.